Hello, welcome. Well, we're just putting the last few things into the camper, and then I've got to raise those jacks and get them out of the way. It's all loaded up on the truck. We're ready to go, and then we're headed to Mustang Island State Park. Okay, we are finally here. You can see we've got a little picnic table, a little like pergola over it. The truck is pulled into the spot. Utilities are on the other side. I haven't hooked up just yet, but it's kind of cloudy and hazy today. But let me take you around back, because even though we're several hundred yards from the water, if you listen closely, you can hear the ocean just past these dunes. So after I get everything hooked up, we're going to walk back down there to the ocean and check it out. I've been to a lot of different state parks in Texas, and most of them are they're pretty big, and the campsites are real spread out, and they're not I mean, they're kind of isolated from each other, but this one, it's just, if I let you guys look behind me, it's just a row of campsites, one right next to the other on either side, which is kind of unusual. Check this out. My neighbor right across the road here is flying this big, huge, I guess it's an octopus kite. Look at that thing. It looks like it's 30 feet long. Ha! Isn't that something? All right, we go for a little walk on the beach, and this is what we come back to. Look at that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 kites, and that octopus I showed you earlier is like a little miniature one compared to these big ones over here. Look at those things. Crazy. Well, it's Sunday morning. It was kind of cloudy and hazy yesterday, so I didn't do a lot of filming. Hopefully, it's kind of cloudy and hazy right now too, but hopefully the sun will come out. I've already gone and taken a shower. I thought I'd show you guys around the camper while we're here. My wife is over there cooking breakfast, and Cody has decided that the best place for him to be is up on the table where he's out of the way when we're trying to walk around in here, and he can look out the window. So that's his perch.
Perfect.
You're all up in your business.
You don't want dog food? What about a piece of bacon? How about a piece of dog food? Piece of dog food?
I just realized that I have not shown a good shot of the camper on the truck, so I'm gonna just kind of pan all the way around the truck so you can see what it looks like from every angle. This is the driver's side. I call this the utility side because it has all the utilities. Well, the sun has come out, so we're gonna take a walk down to the beach and see what's down there. So we're at the beach. I'd say it was maybe, I don't know, 10-minute walk at most, probably not even that long. Anyway, they've got this really nice kind of, I don't know what this is, like a semi-ramp in a sense, so you can more easily roll your stuff. down to the water. Anyway, we're gonna go get on the beach, see what it looks like. Looks like they've got the beach sectioned off into the section we were just on, and then we've got this barrier here. On this section behind me, you can drive the car. Actually, we walked down here yesterday, and there was an RV park down here, so I don't know if you can park your RVs down here and stay the night or not, but we're going to check on that. Anyway, this is the drivable section here.
4x4 recommended.
All right, we are all loaded up and ready to go, but we did find out that you can camp on the beach, so I am currently driving onto the beach to see how this behemoth handles it.